Hello, riders! Here's the latest news from Lambretta, the legendary Italian scooter brand, which has just unveiled a brand new limited edition of the X300. For decades, Lambretta has been known for its timeless designs and strong connection to scooter culture, and this latest release continues that story in a very special way. The new model is called the Casa Special Edition X300. It was developed in collaboration with Casa Lambretta, a performance division from Milan that was once famous for racing and tuning classic Lambretta scooters. This partnership brings together heritage, style, and exclusivity, making this edition something truly unique. Production is extremely limited. Only 999 units will be made worldwide. Out of that number, the UK market will only receive 36 units, making it even more rare and desirable. Deliveries are set to begin in October 2025, and the official price is £5,999. Each scooter comes with a certificate of authenticity signed by Vittorio Tessera, the owner of Casa Lambretta, along with a special number plate marked with the iconic number 47. To top it off, buyers will also receive an exclusive commemorative gift box, emphasizing just how collectible this edition really is. Under the skin, the Casa Special Edition remains mechanically identical to the standard X300. It uses a 275 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that produces around 24.8 horsepower at 8,250 RPM and 18 pound-feet of torque at 6,250 RPM. The engine is paired with a CVT automatic transmission and Bosch fuel injection. With a semi-monocoque steel frame and the signature front fender design, it holds on to the spirit and style that Lambretta scooters have always been known for. In terms of equipment, the X300 is packed with modern features to match today's riding needs. Riders will enjoy a bright TFT dashboard, full LED lighting, keyless ignition, under-seat storage, and even integrated luggage loops for practicality. However, what really sets the Casa Edition apart is its design. It comes with a distinctive two-tone paint finish, custom decals, and an aerodynamic carbon fiber body kit designed by Casa Performance. To complete the package, it rides on Pirelli Angel Scooter tires and carries exclusive embossed logos and premium badging. It's worth noting that this special version doesn't bring performance upgrades. The uniqueness lies in its craftsmanship, styling, and rarity. In fact, this makes the scooter more of a statement piece, appealing not only to riders but also to collectors who want something that combines classic Italian heritage with modern engineering. Of course, the Casa Edition is just one part of the Lambretta X300 family. The lineup also includes the SR and GP versions, priced at £4,899 each, with only minor differences in trim and colors. Then there's the GT version at £4,999, which comes with a windscreen and a luggage rack for added touring capability. Every X300 model is backed by a 2-year, unlimited mileage warranty, giving peace of mind to owners. So there you have it, the Lambretta Casa Special Edition X300. A scooter that blends history, modern design, and exclusivity into one beautiful package. With just 999 units worldwide, arriving in October 2025, it's clear that this model is built for those who want more than just a ride. It's for those who want a piece of Lambretta's legacy.